Playing the open source tank game BZFlag and have BZF map files. These define game world layouts for multiplayer matches. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these BZFlag map files. We're tackling this BZF file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. Users encounter BZF files when playing or creating custom levels for the open source tank game, BZFlag, Battlezone Capture the Flag. These files define the entire game world, including the layout of obstacles, bases, and special objects, allowing for a highly customizable gameplay experience. A BZF file is a plain text, script-like format using a simple syntax to define geometric objects, boxes, pyramids, their positions, materials, and game-specific properties. This text-based design makes maps easy to create, edit with any text editor, and share within the community. BZFlag development team defined BZFlag as the application primarily intended for BZF. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. To open this specific BZF file, right-click your file and select Open With. If BZFlag is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. We're facing a complicated BZF error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, loading on BZFlag server. Configure a BZFlag server with your BZF map file by specifying it in the server configuration. Place the BZF file in the appropriate directory and edit the server config to reference it. Players joining your server experience the custom map providing varied gameplay beyond default BZFlag environments. Next, editing as text. Open BZF files in any text editor like Notepad++ to view or modify map content. The text-based format is human-readable with logical structure enabling direct editing for map customization. Add or modify objects, adjust team configurations, or change game rules for unique multiplayer experiences in BZFlag matches. Finally, using map editors. Try BZFlag map editors like BZEdit or BZWorkbench that provide graphical map creation interfaces. These tools simplify map design with visual placement of objects rather than text editing. Generate BZF files from designed maps for use on BZFlag servers without manual text format manipulation for complex layouts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.